everyone! So I wanted to do a little face to camera chit chat and yeah, tell you a few things that's going on. Not a lot going on, but the biggest thing is that I have a new class. It's another Killer Kit class, but it's a little bit different than the first one that I created. If you took that one, I used the December Hip Kit Club kits, which had a few of the papers that I designed, so I really wanted to use up those kits. And the class includes, this time I have a different strategy. With the previous class, I started every layout with, you know, all the supplies that I had and then kind of approached it in different ways. For this class, I have a new strategy, and I have to tell you, I have never made layouts so fast. So I hope, you know, if you need like a jump start, or if you have a pile of kits that are unused or barely touched, then this is the class for you. You don't have to have the same supplies as I use. You can use any kit or any collection or any kit that you created by yourself from your stash. I will have like a list of what I have in my kit, so you can kind of match the amount of supplies. And besides the whole strategy of how I'm going to use the kits in the class, there are 7 layout, like process videos from start to finish creating layouts, and 1 memory planner layout, and 2 art journal spreads. So that's also different from the previous class, just to show you a really fun way of using, you know, your very last scraps or not, or just scrapbooking supplies in your art journal, which I do a lot because I have a lot of scrapbook supplies, so I like to use them in a variety of projects. So that's the class in a nutshell. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And also, I'm gonna give a spot in my class. I forgot to do that with my previous floral sketches class, sketching florals in watercolor, that is. I forgot to do that, and it's not right. It's not right. I like to give a space in my class. So if you want a free spot in my class, leave a comment and I will pick a random winner and announce it the following weekend. So I'll put all the details in the description box. And if you purchase the class and then you win the giveaway, of course I will refund you, so no risk there. The price of the class, I'm going to have a very nice discount for the introductory price. It's going to be $28, and then the full price will be $35. So that's like a 20% off the price. So get it while it's still on sale. And I think that's it. Other than that, if you didn't see, I am now on 2 design teams. Hip Kit Club, of course, because Kimberly will have to kick me out of that team. I'm never leaving. And also Pink and Paper, which is a wonderful online store in Slovenia, Slovenia, but they ship worldwide. And it's owned by the lovely Flora. If you know Flora, she's a fantastic designer. And yeah, I'm really happy. She's actually like 2 hours away from me, or 2.5 hours, so I get the stuff really fast. And I have to tell you, as someone, you know, who's used to waiting for those packages to travel across the ocean from the States, I really like getting my stuff fast. So I'm on that team, and that means 2 more extra videos on YouTube on top of my weekly Hip Kit Club videos. So 6 videos every month, using, like, creating scrapbook layouts. And then occasionally I post other videos about, you know, hauls and art journaling and all kinds of stuff. I did declare 2018 as the year of the stash, but yeah, between classes, Patreon, you know, the 2 design teams, I have used my stash mostly in my art journal. And that brings me to my art journal, and I just want to show you this insanity. Now, I already filmed a share video. I've never had a journal become this chunky. So this is insane, but I have to say that I really, really love it. So I filmed already a share video to show you what this, how, like, what's going on inside. I'm gonna call it finished. Not every page is finished, and there's definitely, I could do more work, but I have worked on this like extensively. Most of this was created in the last 3 weeks, let's say. So I kind of feel I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to move on to my next one. And let me show you, I'm working in a few journals at the same time. So I also have like watercolor journals, but right now I'm really enjoying the Dina Wakley one with the different, you know, the different surfaces. So it has all kinds of different surfaces inside. And this is my new one, even though I've made some work in it. But look what I made. Look at that. I love these rainbow tabs. So I was inspired to do that by a class I took a few years ago by Danielle Donaldson, and she made something similar in that class, but that was like with watercolors, and it was a bit of a different process. But that was where the idea came from in this journal to do this. And it's just, you know, it's so inviting, and it makes me want to come and play. And you can use these. You see that I added words. I created a full tutorial for these, even though it's pretty straightforward. But if you're interested, I created a tutorial for my patrons on Patreon, and that will be posted later this month. Very soon, probably. I just need to edit that video. Yeah, of course you can make this, you know, you can figure it out also by yourself. But I put also words here. These are like the Tim Holtz words from these guys. These are fantastic for art journaling. I'm gonna do a separate video for my go-to art journaling supplies at the moment, because those word stickers are fantastic. So I put in some words, and you could do this and then pick words to represent some theme or something that you want to stick to in that area of the journal. So, or if you're doing kind of, or you can put like the month here, even though, you know, I only fit 8 because I like them to be like, you know, large and chunky, but still that you can see everything. But you can make them smaller and then fit 12. Lots of possibility. I really love these. There are also punches, like tab punches. You could use those. It's just, I think it's something fun to do on your new journal or traveler notebook index, or whatever you use, index insert, I want to say. It's just very inviting, I find. So that's my new journal, and of course I'll have like videos for using it. And if you don't know, I mentioned it, I'm on Patreon, so if you want to support me and this channel and get more content as a reward and see what I'm up to, then hop on over there. I'll post a link below. And yeah, leave a comment to win a spot in my new class. And yeah, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. I hated always saying these things on my videos, but you know, the bigger my channel gets, I think the better it is for everyone, because I can make more videos for you. So it would really help me if you like my videos, you know, push the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification little bell there to get a notification whenever there's a new video. And yeah, I wish you a wonderful week, and I'll see you on YouTube. Bye.